In France?
Vlogging, yes.
Yeah, vlog. Some vlog. Vlog. Oops. So YouTube like that. YouTube and Facebook, sir.
Sorry?
I will post this in YouTube.
Yeah,
Hello
yeah.
mga papsi. Aalis ako ulit mga paps. So, kuhaan ako ang guest na sa South Palm mga papsi. So, dili to mo sakay ang lain kay wala to siya madlock siya mo sakay og lain no. Unya wala pud siya maswito diri mga paps sa Panglaw. So ako siyang gihatod ganina dito sa South Palm. Nanawag na siya nato para magpa-pick up. So ato siyang pick upon mga paps. Wala ko helmet nga dala mga paps kay di siya ganahan mo suot og helmet no. So hinay-hinay lang among dagan. So ako na lang siyang kuhaon mga paps. Okay. Di na ta mag-intro. Nagi-usahay nga dili ta makasunod aning sign sa kalsada mga paps para sa ning solid yellow lane. So usahay basta magdali ta di makalimot ng gid no ha. Solid yellow lane is dili gid ta pwede unta mo overtake no, pero tungod sa kagamay aning kalsada anya medyo maipit gid ta sa traffic. So mapugos gid tag lusot mga paps kay di man ni pare sa mga syudad bitaw nga tag 4 lanes anya. Kung solid yellow lane nga ni dili kita pwede mo overtake diri sa wala. Pwede ta mo suod diri sa pikas gilid kay putol man ang linya basta putol gani siya. Pwede ra ka mo kana mga paps. Pwede ra ka mo ari sa pikas na linya. Pero basta ingani na para sa nga mga paps. So corner man gud ni siya. Di ka pwede mo overtake ani mga paps. Ano uban kay mo pugos hapit gyud oo nga to kamuti rider kana mga paps nga nang klase kamuti rider gina na corner guna solid yellow lane guna wa ta kahibaw ana nya na crossing pa gyud no nya ang imong kasugat kusog kaayo pwede pa ka makadamay ang laing rider. So sir, mag-pick up ko sa guest gani ha. Salamat kayo. Pwede reso dito ma'am na ko pick up. So ayun mga paps, ato siyang adto no. Nasa sulod. So ato lang siyang pick upon.
Ano ko dire sa sulod, ako lang itaon siya mga paps. Sa Latiga siya. So, nagsi-CR pa yung guest ko mga paps and antayin ko lang siya sa saglit. Dito lang tayo sa labas mga paps.
A few moments later.
In France?
Vlogging, yes.
Yeah, vlog. Some vlog. Vlog. Oops. So YouTube like that. YouTube and Facebook, sir.
Sorry?
I will post this in YouTube.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Now maybe we can, you leave me to alone a bit,
Yes, sure.
because I want to see if I remember.
The place that you stayed before. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Mm. So, yan. Hindi pa siya
But too many children here.
2 minute children, sir.
You have children in our hotel?
No. Our children will be still in our town in Buena Vista.
No, because they are crying and they all the time, you know.
Ah, okay. You heard?
I like children, but not very much when they are crying,
Yes.
you know.
Uh-uh.
We work a lot of that's the reason I asked you if we have in our place
Mm-mm.
children to today. Tonight.
Ah, okay.
We have some more. In our place, I mean in the Alona end,
Uh-uh.
have children today or
Not no children?
not?
Yes. And the other day, in the previous day, there was a children stay.
The smell good.
Yeah, not good. Is this your first time riding with motorbike or no?
In Philippines, yes.
Sir, in Philippines, this is first time,
Second.
second time.
Second, I don't know.
Yeah. Many time.
Where goes this road?
That road is going to Tagbilaran City and going to Lubok River. Going to Lubok River.
This is Alona town
Yes, sir.
or Pangla?
Where would you like to go? To beach? Ah, okay. Over there. Yes.
This is your motorbike
Yes, sir.
or the hotel?
This is my own motorbike. Yeah. Yes, yes.
This is for cars.
Yes. Drop lang, sir. Drop lang, drop. Ah.
I remember this.
This one? Oh, yeah, this is a very old place.
street is one of the
Yeah.
now more buildings. Yeah, I remember
You remember here?
the
Yes.
big tree at the end.
The So just only here, and then later.
See you later.
So yeah, see you later in the resort.
Can I invite you a beer?
What time?
No, can I invite you now a beer?
Uh,
Coca-Cola or soda?
at this time I don't have time because we go to my boss have some important.
Huh?
Yes.
It's up to you.
Yeah, but see you later in the
That
resort.
is your day off, no?
Yes.
And your body is
Uh,
permanent?
yes, because I stayed there in the resort, so anytime if
Mark.
he.
Your name is Mark?
Yes.
Now he's over there? He's over there?
No, in Tagbilaran, but he called me.
Ah,
Yes.
okay, thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Enjoy, yeah.
To go back this way?
Yes.
Left?
Yeah, and yes, have a lot of motorbike going there also.
Ah, okay.
But if you
Pay for the motorbike.
motorbike is 50.
No more than 50.
No, 50.
Okay.
Okay.
And the name is Panglao M.
Alona M.
Alona M.
Yes.
Everybody knows?
Yes, sir.
Because it's quite new.
No. Closer to just tell them that Alona M is
Norris place.
Nora's place. Yeah.
Norris.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay mga papsi, na-drop natin ang gas natin doon sa na-drop na to ato ang gas dito no, sa my beach gyud. Bulol-bulol naman taan ni magstorya eh. So grabe nakabulol na to. Oops, sinahinay lang kay naidaghang tourista naglakaw no. Oops. Okay. So ayun mga paps, dito lang tataman mga paps no. Kay padong na tamo uli. Kung na-drop naman nato si sir dito sa Alona Beach. So ayan. Gihagad man gud niya chill pero di man kita hilig ng tagay-tagay mga papsi. Yeah.